Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. Do sneakers still belong in an elegant wardrobe after 50? Absolutely. And they can be your most elegant and modern footwear, if you style them the right way. In this video, I'm sharing 7 brilliant ways to wear sneakers over 50 and still look effortlessly elegant and chic. And for my style rebels out there, wait until the bonus tip. It's bold, it's fun, and it might just become your new signature move. These tips will change the way you see casual shoes forever. Let's go. 1. Choose minimalist sneakers in neutral colors. Let's be real, not all sneakers are created equal when it comes to elegance. The trick? Think clean lines, premium materials, and colors that whisper rather than shout. Picture this. You're heading to a casual lunch meeting. Instead of reaching for bright, logo-heavy athletic shoes, you slip into sleek white leather sneakers or soft grey suede ones. The difference is immediate. You look intentional, not accidental. Personally, I lean towards sneakers in white, cream, soft grey, navy, or even a refined black. These neutral tones form the perfect foundation and elevate everything else in your outfit. The secret lies in the fabric and the fit. Opt for genuine leather, quality canvas, or buttery suede. One trick I've picked up over the years: treat your sneakers like you would a fine handbag. Invest in 1 or 2 exceptional pairs instead of collecting a dozen forgettable ones. Look for brands that prioritize craftsmanship over flashy logos. These will become your go-to staples, versatile, polished, and quietly luxurious, even when they're not expensive. Don't get me wrong, bold sneakers have their place, but we'll talk about that strategic pop of color later. For now, let's build your foundation with these timeless neutrals that will serve you beautifully for years to come. So before we bring in color, let's get your proportions working in your favor. 2. Sneakers with wide pants or wide jeans. Can we talk about the magic of proportion? It's where many women stumble, but once you understand this principle, you'll never look back. The beauty of pairing sneakers with wide-leg pants or jeans lies in creating visual balance. Let's be honest, skinny jeans with sneakers can sometimes feel too casual or even dated after 50. But wide legs? They give you this effortless modern silhouette that's both comfortable and incredibly chic. Picture this. You're wearing wide-leg navy trousers with a crisp white button-down, tucked just slightly in the front or fully in. Add your white leather sneakers, and suddenly you look like you just stepped off a Parisian street. The proportions work because the wider leg balances the substantial base of the sneaker. When it comes to wide jeans, high-waisted styles that hit at your natural waist are key. This creates length in your legs and gives you that put-together look. The trick is ensuring the hem just kisses the top of your sneakers, not too long that it bunches, not so short it cuts you off. If you love cropped pants, go for wide leg styles that hit just above the ankle. They frame your sneakers perfectly and show a hint of skin, keeping the look fresh, flattering, and effortlessly modern. It's relaxed, it's confident, and it proves that comfort and style can absolutely go hand in hand. And speaking of elegance, what happens when we pair those sneakers with tailored pieces? The results might surprise you. If you're enjoying this and feeling that little spark of confidence, hit subscribe and let's keep styling this journey together. 3. Sneakers with tailored pants. Now, this might surprise you, but hear me out. Tailored pants and sneakers are a match made in heaven when done right. It's all about that beautiful contrast between structure and ease, formal and relaxed. The secret is in the tailoring. We're talking pants that fit impeccably through the waist and hip, with a clean, pressed appearance. Think wool trousers, well-cut work pants. Here is a chic little secret. Pair your minimalist white sneakers with charcoal grey tailored trousers, a silk blouse in cream, and a structured blazer. Roll up your sleeves slightly, and you've just created an outfit that works for a business casual meeting or a sophisticated lunch date. The sneakers add approachability, while the tailored pieces keep the look elevated and polished. And yes, mixing formal and casual can feel a little intimidating at first. But once you try it, you'll see just how modern and confident it looks. This isn't just a styling tip, it's a little mindset shift. It says you're in charge of your style. You make the rules. Now let's shake things up with a look that's as feminine as it is unexpected. Yes, we're styling sneakers with skirts. 4. Sneakers with skirts. Let's talk about the piece elegant women are rediscovering, the skirt paired with sneakers. This combination breaks all the traditional rules, and that's exactly why it works so beautifully after 50. The magic lies in the silhouette. Think A-line midi skirts, pleated styles, or even a sophisticated pencil skirt in a casual fabric. The contrast between a feminine skirt and sporty sneaker creates this effortless modern elegance that's absolutely captivating. Imagine you're wearing a navy A-line midi skirt with a tucked-in white cotton tee and your cream leather sneakers. Add a denim jacket or lightweight cardigan, and you've got an outfit that works for weekend shopping, casual dinners, or even traveling. The proportions are perfect. The skirt adds feminine polish while the sneakers keep you grounded and comfortable. A trick I have learned over the years is to match the formality of your top to your skirt, rather than your shoes. So if you're wearing a more casual skirt, pair it with an elevated t-shirt or blouse. If it's a dressier skirt, you can still wear your sneakers, but choose a more polished top. Now, how about elevating it even more with a blouse that does all the heavy lifting? 5. Combine with quality blouses. This is where the magic really happens. The right blouse instantly transforms your sneakers from gym wear to street chic instantly. We're talking about blouses with intention, silk button-downs, cotton poplin shirts, or beautifully cut linen blouses. These pieces bring instant sophistication to any sneaker-based outfit. Let me walk you through a few winning combos. A white silk blouse with dark wash jeans and white sneakers creates this timeless, expensive-looking outfit. Or try a striped cotton button-down with navy wide-leg trousers and grey sneakers for that French girl chic. The secret lies in fabric and fit. Choose blouses from natural fibres that drape beautifully and fit properly across the shoulders. Think of a quality blouse like your best wing woman. She makes you look incredible without stealing the spotlight. And speaking of spotlight, few combos turn heads quite like a dress worn with sneakers. Let's talk about that. 6. Sneakers with dresses. Now this is what I call the ultimate power move. Pairing sneakers with dresses might seem unconventional, but it's actually one of the most versatile and youthful combinations in your style arsenal. The key is choosing dresses with structure and intention. Think shirt dresses, wrap dresses, or A-line styles in quality fabrics. Avoid anything too formal or evening appropriate. We're aiming for casual elegance. Imagine wearing a navy shirt dress with your white leather sneakers, a tan belt to define your waist, and a structured tote bag. You look polished enough for a lunch meeting, but comfortable enough to walk around the city all day. The sneakers make the dress feel modern and approachable, while the dress elevates the sneakers beyond casual. It's a win-win. Dress length matters too. Midi or knee length works best. Maxi dresses can overwhelm the look unless you're quite tall. It's all about balance and proportion. And look, I get it. This pairing might feel too casual at first, but once you experience the comfort and versatility, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. So now that we've nailed the outfits, how do you take the whole look from casual to curated? With the right accessories, of course. 7. Sneakers with accessories for a polished look. Let's be honest, sneakers alone don't make an outfit elegant. But add the right accessories? Oh la la, now we're talking. This is where you take a simple sneaker outfit and make it look expensive and intentional. Think structured handbags, gold jewelry, elegant sunglasses, or silk scarves. These pieces add texture, balance, and polish. Try this chic formula: jeans, white tee, white sneakers, and then layer in a camel blazer, a leather crossbody, and delicate earrings. It's relaxed, but sharp. Like you know exactly what you're doing, because you do. And here's a little mindset shift that changed everything for me. Style your sneaker looks like you would your heeled outfits. Same attention to detail, same elegance, just with a lot more comfort. So go ahead, wear those sneakers, but finish the look like the elegant, confident woman you are. That's the magic. Bonus tip: rock your fashion with bold sneakers. Now for my fashion rebels, the women who love a little color, a little personality, a little watch me glow. This one's for you. Yes, minimalist sneakers are chic. But bold, colorful sneakers? They can be pure fashion magic when styled with intention. Try this: crisp white trousers, a fitted black tee, and then, bam, a pop of red or cobalt blue at your feet. Suddenly, your outfit has energy, confidence, attitude. But here's the key: for color to look chic, not chaotic, let it echo somewhere else in your outfit. Think red sneakers that match a printed scarf, your handbag, or even your lipstick. That's how you create intentional color harmony that feels polished, not playful by accident. You can go vibrant, you can go metallic, you can go patterned, as long as it reflects you and ties into your palette. You're serving elegance with a twist. Because at the end of the day, rocking your fashion means breaking the rules gracefully, dressing for joy, and letting your personality lead the way. And there you have it, 7 brilliant ways to style sneakers over 50 and still look elegant and chic. Remember, elegance isn't in the heel height. It's in the way you carry yourself, the details you choose, and how intentional you are with every outfit. If you loved this video, don't forget to tap like and hit subscribe. I've got more chic, confidence-boosting tips coming your way every single week. Which of these sneaker styling tricks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, stay confident, and wear what makes you feel elegant, empowered, and entirely yourself. You deserve nothing less.